Hello and welcome back everyone to Space Simulation Toolkit, where I have created a Dyson Sphere. Oh, this is cooling down a little bit. Uh-oh, that's not a good start. Let's keep this star nice and warm. Oh no, oh no. The star cooling down caused the radiative heat to go up, which actually caused the Dyson Sphere to begin to melt a little bit, which is bad. So yes, this is my Dyson Sphere. We have the star in the center, which is very warm, and I may have to increase the star's power even more so that it doesn't melt. That's fine, let's just quadruple it. What could possibly go wrong? And then we have our beautiful Dyson Sphere around it, made out of unobtainium. Unnamed metal. It was a little challenging to, oh man, the issue is the outside. The inside is so hot. It's so insanely hot. 8 bajillion degrees, but it's really not transferring the heat very well. And now I'm being called. Why am I being called? Okay, this should be easy. We just need to make it so that there's a little bit of convection going on, okay? Which means I need to put some like lighter materials into this so that they float to the top, and heavier materials into the star so that it floats to the bottom. Do not get on to me about how real stars are made out of hydrogen. I know, but this is Space Simulation Toolkit, and I could technically make a hydrogen material, but for the purposes of this video, it makes no difference what the materials are. They're just going to be very warm and happy. Very warm and very happy. You know what, maybe I'll even enable the particles growing in size when they get warmer, because I feel like that might help a little bit. Like 0. Whoa! Whoa! Spy, maybe well, a little bit too far there, buddy. I'm also gonna increase the mass of lava to make it like congeal more. There we go. That's looking a little bit more starish. Yeah, let's make it real heavy. Screw it. Okay, ignore the little bits of the star that are just like flying out and going everywhere. We don't have to worry about that, and we need to make stone even heavier than that so that it sinks to the bottom. So let's make it really, there we go, really dense, beautiful star. There we go, beautiful. Everyone's happy now. We've finally done it. We've finally figured out how to solve poverty. It's by building a Dyson Sphere. Make it even heavier. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We did it. We did it. We did it. Okay, come on. Even more mass. Super. There we go. Wow, and now we get beautiful solar flares and stuff whenever the stone forms. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. I'm gonna, oh, this is metal. I need to make metal heavier too. No, I can't do that. I can't do that. I can't do that because the entire thing's made of metal. Oh, that was a really, really big mistake. Oh no, the Dyson Sphere, no! No! I forgot. It's the one thing I can't do. Oh no, the Dyson Sphere died. Oh man, it collapsed. This is so sad. This is so sad. Nobody could have expected that I was gonna screw it up. Ugh, still, it being a mistake is just so much worse. I'm just gonna have to get rid of the metal because I can't have it be made out of the same thing. There we go, okay. Oh! Whoa! Okay, but this is fine. Like, this is fine. The situation is under control. Just make stone a little bit heavier so it goes even further. Make lava a little bit heavier so it stays towards the center. Wow. Wow, we did it. We made a beautiful star. Look at it. Look at it. It's so happy. I may still make it a little bit hotter because it is a star, but like, wow. Just say wow a couple more times, Spike. That'll do it. I'll get the time in. Okay, so we've got this beautiful churning star, which is very angry, yet I am very happy with its performance. It kind of has a cycle. It'll move around a lot and be really excited, and then it'll calm down, and the edges will start to cool down a little bit, and then that'll cause there to be more convection, which will cause it to kind of get excited again. I'm happy with that. That's kind of like the actual sun, you know? It's got cycles, of which we were in a peak, which is why there were aurora all the way up in my backyard. Okay, so let's do, we've got our, what is this, number 5? Our, Dyson Sphere 5. I gotta save it, because if I don't save it, I'll lose it. Okay. Okay, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. So this is our Dyson Sphere. This is our star, and it's just happy. Everything is great. But what if, what if it wasn't great? What if we did things to increase the intensity? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to increase the gravitational force of our star and see what happens. I increased it by 20%. Not much happened. The Dyson Sphere is still happily doing it. I should probably make like the inside of this solar panel so it's actually a Dyson Sphere and like generating electricity. Oh well. Just pretend. Just pretend it is. Alright, what about 1.5? Okay, so 50% more gravity definitely has the star more active. The center of the star has an insane amount of pressure, which causes it to kind of undulate a little bit. But for the most part, it's fine. The circle's starting to turn into a little bit of an egg, but we like eggs on this channel, so let's turn it up another 25%. Now it's really doing an egg. You can tell which parts of the structure are weak because it's starting to kind of bend on them. But it's mostly fine still. It's mostly fine. So let's turn the gravitational force up another 25%. Okay, it is definitely an egg now. I think we have reached the point of egg damage. Is it going to be able to hold itself together as an egg? Oh boy. It's still doing it. It is still surviving somehow. Barely. This spot right here is just so weak. You can see it broke a little bit, and it's holding on for dear life. We're getting some real movement in the structure. All right, another 25%. That's gonna do it. That's gonna do it. Oh, it snapped with so much force, collapsing in on itself and on the star, and then we have absolute melty melt as it melts in. And because our simulation is weird and metal is less dense than rock, it's floating on the surface of the sun. But there's a lot of energy that was released, like an insane amount of energy. This is so sad. Our Dyson Sphere died. Look at this. Look at that spin. Woo! That was really spinning. Really spinning. Excelente. Beautiful. Alright. We can have more fun with this. We can have more fun with this. If my GPU can keep up. Are you gonna be okay, OBS? Are you gonna be okay? Do I need to give you some emotional support? Do we have to? No, you're fine, maybe. Okay, so this time we are going to do something different. I think I'm gonna increase the gravity to double again because it's just more fun. But that's not where it actually failed. Oh wait, except doing it rapidly like that, it may actually fail. Whoops. No. Okay, I'm going to have an cosmological object. Alright, we're gonna have an asteroid strike this. A really small one, but from really far away. Oh wait, we're not gonna be able to see it because... Oh! Yeah, we have realistic lighting on, so like the Dyson Sphere is actually containing all of the light in the simulation, like a Dyson Sphere would, but like, yeah, you only see it when it gets like over here because of the radiation coming off. Let's see what this does. It's just going straight through. It was going so fast. Okay. Let's try like a stone. No, I've got the rigidity settings in the simulation too high, so it kind of just phases through a little bit. What about a projectile made of, like, lava, though? Something that is hot. Hot, hot, hot. Hot. Maybe a supernova went off over there, and it's gonna... Ooh! Yes, that is what I was looking for. Okay, so we have a serious failure here, which is going to cause this end to implode into the star. It's going to eat it. Oh my absolute goodness. Oh my absolute goodness. It is consuming. Is the star going to explode? Oh man, so much of the impact was on one side of the star that it almost looked like the star was gonna lose control. It didn't, but it looked really cool for a moment. Okay, I'm gonna try another thing. Come on, don't die on me. Here we go. We're going to delete the gravity and see what happens. Alright, as promised, we're going to get rid of the gravity now, and we're gonna see what happens to the Dyson Sphere when there is suddenly no gravity. It's gonna be beautiful. 3, 2, 1. Actually, I'm gonna wait until the sun is in a little bit more of an activity cycle. I wanna, oh wait, no, first we have to increase it, that's right. First we gotta make it really, really gravity so that it's even more impactful when we remove it. Alright. Gotta make your job hard before I fire you. That's what a good boss does. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Gravity is okay, so I mean, the Dyson Sphere held up really well to the elastic force. But what's going to happen now is it's going to literally have the surface of the sun bounce off of it. And I feel like that's going to do a little bit of damage. Yeah, so it's melting. This piece over here is really melting. A lot of it isn't touching, though, because there's no gravity to actually force it to. So it's kind of just okay. Like, the particles in the center are getting insanely hot now. But all the other ones don't really care. Okay. Cool. As the particles actually fly out and randomly collide with the metal, they're losing the heat, solidifying and creating these little, like, tendrils. Very interesting. It's kind of just a dead star now. Okay, now what if we put the gravity back? He says, knowing exactly what's going to happen. Yeah, so I don't think the Dyson Sphere is actually at 1 gravity, not at 2, but at 1. It may actually hold up. This is the weakest point of the entire thing, with a full, like, 2 pixels holding it together, but I'm actually highly impressed. It's just fine, I guess. Okay. I did not expect that. I'm gonna double the gravity for stone to get the star to reignite. But the Dyson Sphere somehow don't care. It's fine with this. It is completely happy with what is currently going on, which is kind of concerning. It shouldn't be okay. Okay. Giving it a little bit more energy there for the star. Will it survive this? That was an intense flare-up as the star kind of began to exist again. I gave stone a little bit more weight so it would start falling to the center again. No, you know what? It's okay. Everything's fine. I mean, I'm shocked to say this, but it's okay. But what if we introduce some solar flares? like large solar. There's occasional actual flares that are coming out of this and causing damage, but I want to. Actually, it is really violent. I wonder if I don't even have to do anything. Is it gonna stabilize, or is this just a very angry star now? You just got random amounts of damage going on all over the place. It's excitable, but I feel like we can push it further. I'm gonna inject water into it, which is going to do exactly what you would expect. Particle spacing down really low, and yeah, that's gonna give us a beautiful solar flare. Oh, oh. Actually, it didn't really create like a projectile flare like I wanted. It just caused a shockwave to go through the whole thing. The amount of gravity is so high that I'm not sure if I really can cause it to blow up in dramatic fashion. Although we definitely have some dramatics going on over here. Woo! Look at it go. Look at it go. I can probably make this more intense by decreasing the weight of lava a tiny bit so that it's more likely to fly out, and then the stone should be a little bit more aggressive ripping through it, I think. I don't know. I'm not a professional at making stars, by the way. This isn't my day job. My day job is programming, which is kind of like making stars, but oh, here we go. Yeah, that made it super unstable. Oh boy, it's letting out a lot of energy, and that caused the Dyson Sphere to collapse. Although it's actually rather well contained within the Dyson Sphere. It's gonna slowly melt it and eat it, but this isn't the sort of super dramatic ending that the other bits faced. Although now it's starting to accelerate. I kind of want to see what's gonna happen here. It's being contained. We are containing a star. The star is still contained. It's trying to escape. It's trying very hard to escape right now. Just imagine Earth is over here and we are the last line of defense. Why is there a random star near Earth? I don't know. Can't be the sun, because then we would have destroyed Earth with the whole eating the sun. But no, it's actually containing it really well. It's gonna break any moment now, though. Like it is slowly eating the metal away and melting it, adding to the conglomeration. Although the cool metal floats to the top and reforms, so maybe it is at a point of stability. I think it's stable, guys. I think this is legitimately stabilizing. Maybe not. The moment I say that, it goes crazy. Oh! No way! Wow. It's very angry soup. That's my technical classification. Oh, the sun is going. It's the actual source of the heat's getting so close to the edge. But I mean, it's slowly falling apart. This part here is so close to breaking. All right, I'm gonna mix it up a little bit, speed up the process. I forgot centripetal force existed. I didn't mean for that to do that. Whoops. All right. Well, thank you all for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed. If you have any crazy ideas to put in the comments below, let me know. I'm your guy to blow things up. I'll see you all next time. Hail Vooperia.